Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing and we're unboxing all this makeup stuff. This Boxycharm is for the month of December, and then this Sephora box is from a recent sale that Sephora had where you could get $25 off of $75 if you're a Rogue member. That is what today's video is about. If you're new here to my channel, I hope you enjoy this video. I upload makeup, beauty, and fashion videos Monday and Friday, so if you'd like to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you're returning, welcome back. Let's start. I don't know what to say. It's like, let's begin, let's jump in. But that's so repetitive. I don't know what to say anymore. We're gonna start with my Boxycharm. Open this up here. Oh, I love this. Okay, so the theme of this month's box is whimsy. Like whimsical. Oh, I like that. I just like that whole word. Alright, so first we got a lip exfoliator. Oh yes, we need this. I have been wearing so many liquid lipsticks. This is gonna be a lifesaver. I can already tell you right now, I need some type of exfoliator. Daikon and Dreams lip exfoliator with radish extract. This is $24. What? I just want to smell it because that's the most important thing. Oh my goodness. Come on. Why do I struggle with opening stuff? This is ridiculous. Oh my word, please stop. That smells like bubble gum, and it's a very, very pink color. But this does look very nice. I'm excited to try that out. So the next thing we have here, wow, I feel like there's so much stuff in this box. Ciat'e London Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. This looks really cute. Oh, wow. So this reminds me of like Hourglass. Ooh, that feels really nice. Ah, this looks just like those Hourglass blushes, like the Ghost palette. The Ciat'e Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher is $26. Sounds about right. These are cute so far. Ooh, a brow bar by Rhema. The brow makeover kit is $30. Ooh, never seen anything like this before. This one looks like something I could use to shape my brow. That, I don't know what you're going to use that black color for. Definitely not my brows. And then you have this dark brown, which I might be able to use, but I'm not exactly sure. Got a little brush in here as well. This looks like it might be like a brow setter. Let's see. Oh no, it's a it's one of those tinted brow gels. This one looks nice. I did get another one in another Boxycharm, so we'll see. Not sure how I feel about that. It's definitely something different, but that's okay. I'm okay with different. I will try it out and I will let you guys know how it ends up working. Alright, so next we have the Saturday Skin. I actually picked this out. I'm really excited about this. I've heard about this brand and I've been wanting to try it out, and I'm really glad that I got in a Boxycharm because this stuff can get expensive. So this is a Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. This is $39. That is a bit pricey, but it's a skincare item. It's an anti-aging cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting skin from free radicals. So it has amino acids, plant extracts that help calm the skin, and it helps boost vitality and suppleness. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. I'm going to open it up and see what we have going on. Very, very gel-like, which I don't mind. My skin is definitely needing the moisture right now. Oh, yeah, that feels really nice. If you have dry skin or combination skin like I do, you're gonna really like this. I've been needing some extra hydration these days, so this is gonna be really nice for me. It has hydrating Iceland moss extract that helps soothe dry skin while revealing radiance. How cool does that sound? So the last thing in my Boxycharm is by Storybook Cosmetics. I have seen them at Ulta and I've wanted to try them out. I never have, so now I'm going to, and I'm really excited about that. This is Little Red Riding Hood. So cute. I'm so cute. So this little eyeshadow palette is $35. I've heard good things about them, so I don't want to like open it up and something fall out. Look at this. It's literally a little book with the cutest eyeshadows. I know I'll wear all these. These are Sarah colors. Anyway, I will stop drooling over this, but I can't wait to show you guys this. I mean, this literally would be the best Christmas present for a book lover. This shade. Ooh, they feel really creamy too. Okay, so that one looks a little bit patchy, but I'll probably have to build that one up. Let's try this silver one. These are very soft metallics. Now that is pretty. This looks like a silver shade in the pan, but when you swatch it, it comes out more of a coppery silver shade that is really pretty. Yes, I will be testing that out. There was a $35 item, $39, $26 item, $24, and a $30 item. So you only pay $25 for this box, and you get a lot of makeup. That's how I've been affording my skincare, is through Boxycharm. Their skincare picks are so incredibly good. I haven't been on board with all of their eyeshadow palettes and their brow products. Oh my goodness. Brow products. But the majority of stuff that I have been getting in my Boxycharm has been really good. And I was actually talking to a friend because I was thinking about stopping Boxycharm, but I don't think I am going to. It's been such a good way for me to build my makeup collection with quality stuff. Now it's time to jump into what I got during the Sephora sale. It wasn't a VIB sale, it was a sale. So the first item that I got is this Milk Makeup Blur and Set Matte Loose Setting Powder. I got the shade Translucent Light, but this powder looks like something I would really like. I do need that blurring quality. It comes with a little sponge. I don't know if I'll use this. I might try it out, see how it goes. It does come with that little cap in the top that kind of holds the powder in place, which I really like that. And let me pull the sticker off. Yes. Oh, I love this packaging. So it has that little net in the top. You can't really see it, but this reminds me a little bit of how the Becca Hydro Mist setting powder is packaged, and this is very similar to that. I love that packaging. I feel like I get the most out of my product, and this is towards oily skin, and that's what I need. So I'm really excited to use this. And I feel like you get so much product in that. I'm very happy. I did pick up another powder. Like I said, I've been very much on a powder roll. A powder splurge. Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. I've been using the same powders for such a long time, and I've really wanted to experiment into other brands, and I feel like I really needed to add some staples to my makeup collection, and this was raved about for oily skin. My sister actually just tried this out, and she was raving about it. She was telling me how good it looked on her skin, and my sister and I have very similar skin type. I mean, I know it's targeted towards oily skin, so I do have high hopes for this. I cannot get over the Fenty Beauty packaging. This is just so classy. I love it. Oh yeah, that looks like it's gonna be really nice. I'm very, very excited to test this out. I know this has been out for a good while, but I don't have the money to go and buy this stuff, so I have to wait for sales. And I've been wanting this for a while, and I'm so glad that I have it in my collection now. I'm excited to give it a try and see if this is going to work for me. We shall see. So 2 new powders to test out, and I think they're both going to be really good. I think I'm going to love them for different reasons. So we shall see. We shall see. The last 2 items that I got in my little mini Sephora haul is the Bobbi Brown Longwear Gel Liner. Now, I recently have been wearing very dramatic eyeliner looks, and I wanted a ink pot where I could draw out the eyeliner, because liquid liners can only give you so much. Sometimes you just really need a pot of product so that you can draw it on. And this just looked like a beautiful product, something that will last and then it's not going to smudge. So hopefully that will be the case. I haven't tested it out yet. This is in the shade Black Ink and it's the Long Wear Gel Eyeliner by Bobbi Brown. So it's a high-end brand. It better be good. I paid some good money for this, even though I did get it on sale. I wanted to give the gel eyeliner a chance. I know that there's another one out there. I believe it's called Inglot Gel Eyeliner. That is another one that I really want to give a good try, but I wanted to try the Bobbi Brown one first. So that is why I got that one. And then I got this Makeup Forever 9B01. This is just a brush that I can use to draw on the gel eyeliner. So hopefully this will end up being worth the money I paid. This brush was expensive and so was this gel eyeliner, so I really hope that they're going to be worth the price. But that is everything in my little makeup unboxing aside from this Kat Von D perfume sample. This is Saint. Let's smell it. I always get the perfume samples whenever I get the Sephora boxes. Oh, that smells nice. Very nice. Whew, that's strong. I like it though. I like that. That is everything in my little makeup unboxing haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love sharing new makeup items with you guys, and I'm just continuing to add to my makeup collection, and I love it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more like this when I can afford it. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!